When speaking in front of an audience, memorizing a script and giving a presentation can be very challenging. To ensure an event runs smoothly and you give your best performance, the Datavideo TP-800 portable conference teleprompter is there for you. It can be used for anything from a speech at a podium to a PowerPoint presentation on a large stage. It's portable, has a built-in 15-inch screen, and comes pre-installed with the Datavideo dvPrompter Plus app. You can connect multiple TP-800s together so the speaker can look around the room and address the entire audience.
The TP-800 uses high-quality mirrored reflective glass, which looks like any ordinary piece of clear glass from the audience's perspective. The TP-800 can be controlled and monitored through a network, where any device with a web browser can control the TP-800 using the web user interface.
You can also import PowerPoint and keynote slides and even combine them with text-based scripts together in customized playlists. If you have a presentation, the Datavideo TP-800 Portable Conference Teleprompter Kit has you covered. To learn more about it, click the link in the description below and visit datavideo.com to see all of our solutions for your live productions.